Dear student, we will start from question number 6 now. In question number 6, it is given that the slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. So according to this question, I have drawn this figure. In this figure, the measurements are given. The slant height is 25 meter. So we can write here 25 meter, and also given the diameter is 14 meter. So if the diameter is 14 meter, so radius is 7 meter. So radius also we got, and the slant height also we got. Now we have to find the curved surface area to calculate the cost. So curved surface area, in the formula we know that the curved surface area of a cone is pi r L. So let us start. We can write slant height equal 25 meter, then base radius equal to, we can write 14 by 2 equal to 7 meter. So radius also we got, and slant height. Therefore we can write, therefore the curved surface area CSA of the tomb equal pi r into L equal to 22 by 7 into r equal to 7 into L is 25 equal 7 cancel, 22 into 25 equal 550. So this is, the unit is given in meter, so CSA will be in meter square. So this is the curved surface area of the conical tomb. Now we'll find the cost. As the rate of cost is given 210 per 100 meter square, so we'll write now, therefore the required cost equal, you can write rupees, it is 210 into 550, as it is given per 100 meter square, so we have to divide it by 100 equal, so 0 cancel, 0 cancel, so 55 into 21, so we'll multiply it, so it is rupees 1155. So this is the answer. Now we'll start question number 7. In question number 7, it is given that a joker shape is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 cm and height 24 cm. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. So first of all, we have to find the surface area of one cone, and then we can find easily the area of 10 such caps by multiplying 10. So here it is given, base radius is given, radius directly given 7 centimeter, and height is given 24 centimeter. Height is given 24 centimeter. But to find the curved surface area, we need slant height. Slant height is not given. So first of all, we have to find the slant height of this cone. So let us start. we can write here given height of the conical cap equal 24 centimeter, base radius equal 7 centimeter. Therefore, slant height equal, so we can use now Pythagoras theorem to find L. So slant height equal to, we can find square root of, we know that r square plus h square. So here r is 7, so we can write 7 square plus h is 24, so 24 square equal square root of 49 plus 24 square equal 24 square is 576. So we'll write 576 equal square root of 576 plus 49 equal 625. 625. So we know that the square root of 625 is 25. So it is 25. It means the slant height is 25 centimeters. So we find the slant height. Now we can find the curved surface area easily. So now we'll write, therefore the CSA of, we can write one cone equal, it is pi RL, so directly we can put the value pi into R is 7 into 25 is L equal 7 cancel and 25 into 22, so it is 550. So it is 550. So this is the CSA of one cone. It is 550 centimeter square. Now we can write the answer. Therefore, the CSA of 10 such caps equal, so it is 10 into 550 equal to 5500 centimeter square. This is the answer. So I hope you can understand. Now we'll start question number 8. Now we'll solve question number 8. In question number 8, it is given a bus stop is variegated from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Each one has a base diameter of 40 centimeter and height 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? Here it is given pi equal to 3.14 and square root of 1.04 equal to 1.02. Now, first of all, we have to see here the units are not given same. So it is in centimeter and here it is in meter. So we can convert it, better to convert it into meter. As it is given, it is rupees 12 per meter square. That's why better we convert it in meter. So let us start. As it is given 50 such cones. So first of all, we have to find the surface area of one cone. So for surface area, curved surface area, we need slant height and base radius. But here base radius is given and height is given, but slant height is not given. So we have to find the slant height. So we can do it directly. We can write the CSA of one cone equal. Directly we can put the value. We know that it is pi RL. As the pi is given 3.14, so we have to put it 3.14. If it is not given, so we'll use 22/7. So we'll put 3.14 into radius. As the base diameter is given 40 centimeter, so base radius equal to 20 centimeter, and if we convert it into meter, so it will be 0.2 meter. So we'll put here 0.2 into L. So L is given, L is not given. So we'll write it by using Pythagoras theorem. L equal to R square plus H square. So R is 0.2. So we'll write 0.2 square plus H is 1. So 1 square equal. So 3.14 into 0.2 into, so here it is square root of 0.2 whole square equal to, it is 0.04. It is 0.04 plus 1 equal 3.14 into 0.2 into square root of 0.04 plus 1 equal to 1.04. 1.04 equal 3.14 into 0.2 into, you can see here the value is given, square root of 1.04 equal to 1.02. So we can replace this value as it is given. So we'll put here 1.02. So we have to multiply this. So we can do it manually as I have done it. Multiplication is 0.64, 0.64, 0.56, 0.56. So this is the CSA of one cone. It is in meter square. So this is the curved surface area of one conical cones. Now we'll find the 50 such, the surface area of 50 such cones. So we'll write therefore the CSA of 50 such cones equal 50 into 0.64056 equal. So if we multiply by 50, so it gives 32.028, 32.028 meter square. Now we'll find the cost. As it is given, the cost is for painting, it is rupees 12 per meter square. So we can write therefore the required cost. Therefore the required cost of painting equal. So we'll multiply by 12. So 12 into 32.028. So it gives us, it is 384.334. 384.336. So we can write it 384.34 rupees, and here we must write approx. So this is the answer, and we find the cost to make 50 such cones for painting, and it is rupees 384.34 approximately. Now we'll start the next exercise.